Spices that will help make you well. Dill can help with digestion and menstrual cramps. Dill, scientifically known as Anethum graveolens, is an aromatic herb with delicate, feathery leaves. It is widely used in cooking, particularly in European and Asian cuisines, and has numerous medicinal properties. Dill is especially recognized for its ability to aid digestion and alleviate menstrual cramps. Health benefits of dill. 1. Digestive health. Dill is commonly used to ease digestive ailments. It can help stimulate appetite, soothe upset stomachs, reduce gas, and promote digestion through the secretion of bile and digestive juices. The herb's carminative properties make it effective in managing flatulence and bloating. 2. Menstrual cramp relief. Dill contains certain compounds that act as antispasmodics, helping to relax the smooth muscles of the uterus and alleviate the pain associated with menstrual cramps. 3. Antibacterial properties. The essential oils in dill are known to have antibacterial properties, which can help suppress the growth of harmful bacteria and enhance overall health. 4. Rich in antioxidants. Dill is a good source of several antioxidants, including vitamin C and flavonoids, which help protect the body from damage by free radicals. This can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. 5. Bone health. Dill is a valuable source of calcium, which is essential for the growth and health of bones. Regular consumption can contribute to the prevention of bone loss and the reduction of the risk of bone fractures. How to use dill. Culinary uses. Dill is versatile in the kitchen and can be used in salads, soups, and as a seasoning for fish and meats. It is also a key ingredient in pickling. Tea. Dill tea can be made by steeping the seeds or leaves in hot water. This tea is beneficial for easing indigestion and menstrual cramps. Essential oil. Dill essential oil can be used in aromatherapy for its calming effects and is sometimes used topically to relieve muscle aches. Considerations. Allergic reactions. As with many herbs, some people may be allergic to dill. It's important to be aware of any allergic symptoms that might arise, such as skin rashes or respiratory issues. Pregnancy and nursing. Dill is generally considered safe in food amounts during pregnancy and nursing. However, the effects of medicinal amounts are less well known, so caution is advised. Medication interactions. Dill might lower blood sugar levels, so people taking diabetes medication should monitor their blood sugar closely if consuming dill in medicinal amounts. Dill is not only flavorful, but also offers substantial health benefits, particularly for digestive health and menstrual discomfort. Whether added to dishes for flavor, brewed as a tea, or used as an essential oil, dill can be a beneficial addition to your health regimen. As with all herbs, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare provider when considering the use of dill for medicinal purposes, especially in concentrated forms, or if you have existing health conditions or concerns. Spices that will help make you well. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of the Good Life with Spice healthcare remedies. Also visit our websites